Wednesday, June 24th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's begin with a look in Gastonia from the camera atop the Garland building this morning. The temperature there 75 degrees. It is a warm and humid start to the day. The dew point up at 71 there in Gastonia. It was another hot day yesterday, another 100-degree day in Charlotte, another record high in Charlotte, 98 in Raleigh, 97 in Columbia, in Greensboro, a lot of mid-90s on the board of the Triad, although up to 98 in Burlington, 95 in Winston-Salem, and Asheboro, 93 yesterday in Mount Airy. You had 99 for Hyde, Monroe, and Wadesboro, Rock Hill, 97 in Concord, 98 in Gastonia. Hot day again yesterday. Shower and thunderstorm coverage yesterday pretty limited. A few folks got a brief shower. But as expected, most folks were rain-free. That was the radar perspective through the afternoon and the evening. You had this complex of storms that moved through Kentucky and the Virginias, but it really kind of fell apart as it tried to progress further to the south and down into North Carolina. The storm reports, again, limited across the region. You did have a cluster of some hail and wind reports around Columbia and Greenville, South Carolina. But here was the big deal. Widespread areas of wind damage and wind reports there, even some tornadic activity from parts of Maryland on up through various locations in the northeastern United States. Pretty quiet across most of the Carolinas this morning, the exception being the northern Outer Banks, where you have some showers and thunderstorms rumbling this morning. Also some thunderstorms down close to the Gulf Coast in southern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi, and then some storms up in the High Plains states associated with the next area of low pressure that'll eventually drag a cold front that'll be a game changer into our region as we head into the weekend. Now, let's take a look at a few of the social media images from yesterday's storms, and these are going to be from the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Those are mammatus clouds from Baltimore, Maryland. A lot of times you see those types of mammatus clouds around big, tall thunderstorms, and that was the case there. There's a nice lightning strike photo from Philadelphia yesterday. And again, had some wind damage, a lot of it in various spots. That's some images from southern New Jersey of some various tree damage with those storms yesterday. Now, as far as our future weather is concerned, cold front has dropped now into the region. Now, areas around I-40 and points north, you might notice a subtle decrease in the humidity this afternoon, but not much. Still going to be a hot day. And due to the location of that front, it's going to be southern sections of North Carolina down to the South Carolina that have the best chance of picking up a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and same deal into the evening. But a hot day again, 98 in Charlotte and Columbia, 97 in Fayetteville, 93 in Greensboro, Raleigh at 95, Charleston 97. Tomorrow, a slightly better chance further north in North Carolina for a few showers and storms, and still a hot day. Look at those highs well into the 90s as we go on through our Thursday afternoon, and then we get on into Friday, and that's when we begin to see the opportunities for showers and storms increase a bit. I think some scattered showers and storms Friday afternoon. Still a hot day. There's your Friday highs. But watch what happens over the weekend. We're going to replace this big upper-level ridge currently overhead with a big trough that dives into the eastern part of the country. You notice this ridge going up out west, trough in the east. That's a complete flip from what we have seen with the ongoing pattern. And as that transition takes place, you see a cold front, pretty good area of low pressure approach. And so late in the day, Saturday and Saturday night, good round of some showers and thunderstorms. And then behind all of that, just a beautiful setup for Sunday and Monday. Some cooler air moving in. As an example, here are our Sunday highs. Look at that. And we're talking probably in a lot of the region, a good deal of sunshine and much, much lower humidity. So Sunday looks like a great weather day. All right, the Avalon Pier web camera this morning. It looks like things have been wet down a bit due to some showers and thunderstorms. And a little bit of a better chance of some scattered thunderstorms in the afternoons coming up here for the coastal areas. Tropical update, pretty quiet. Still no sign of any tropical development across the entire Atlantic basin. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.